Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make white cabbage with carrots. Just a very simple stove-top dish where the main ingredients are the carrots and the cabbage. Use nice, fresh ingredients, and you really don't need to do very much to them other than cook them. So I've got a small pan here. I'm going to put some olive oil in it. I'm going to add a little bit of chopped onion. And then I'm going to salt that. I'm going to cook it for just about 3 minutes until it gets soft. Okay, 3 minutes have passed. I'm going to add some shredded cabbage and an equal amount of shredded carrots. Now what's going to happen as the cabbage heats up is it's going to wilt a bit. You want to be really careful not to overcook it. It really doesn't take very long. And then I like to add just a little bit of vinegar on top of that. Just brings out the flavors. I'm using a malt vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is nice. And that is how you make cabbage with carrots.